If a seller breaches a contract for goods, can the seller complain when the buyer chooses to find replacement goods on its own? What if the buyer's actions make the contract harder to fulfill? Iron Trade Products Company versus Wilkoff Company shows what can happen when a deal goes off the rails. Iron Trade Products entered into a contract with Wilkoff to purchase 2,600 tons of rails for $41 per ton. Wilkoff failed to deliver the rails, so Iron Trade bought rails from another supplier for over $49 per ton. Iron Trade sued Wilkoff, claiming damages equal to the difference between the contract price and the price it had to pay for the substitute rails. Wilkoff argued that the rails were only available in 2 places in the United States, and that Iron Trade's announcement that it was buying rails drove up prices and reduced the supply of available rails. Consequently, it was impossible for Wilkoff to render contract performance. The court ruled in Iron Trade's favor, and Wilkoff appealed to the Pennsylvania Supreme Court.